right, so Flight Test just shot an episode yesterday with this awesome tunnel. And of course, being a quad pilot, you want to fly down it, which is awesome. I've done it a few times. But then you want to power loop it. I did it a couple times. And I thought, one more time. So I went down the tunnel here. And, wait, where'd it go? Oh, geez. And then did the power loop, got back in and got halfway down and, oops. I think we're okay though.